Hi everyone, today's class looks at the present continuous tense. The present continuous is formed using the personal pronouns plus the correct conjugation of the verb to be and a verb ending in ing. For example, I am playing tennis. You are smoking a cigarette. He is drinking milk. We are doing our homework. They are washing the dishes. To form the negative of the present continuous, simply insert not between the verb be and the verb ending ing. I am not sleeping. You are not smoking a cigarette. For questions, use the verb be at the beginning of the sentence. Am I sleeping? Are you smoking a cigarette? So when do we use the present continuous? The present continuous expresses the idea that something is happening now, at this very moment. You are learning English. I am sitting. I am not standing. In English, now can mean this second, today, this month, this year, this century, and so on. Sometimes we use the present continuous to say that we are doing a longer action which continues into the future. It does not finish in the present. I am studying to become an engineer. I am reading the book Animal Farm. I am not reading any books right now. Sometimes the present continuous indicates that something happens in the near future. I am meeting some friends after work. I am not going to the party tonight. Is he visiting his parents this weekend? The present continuous can express that an action always happens or that it annoys you. Remember to put the adverbs always or constantly between be and the verb plus ing. She is always coming to class late. He is constantly talking. I wish he would be quiet. I don't like them because they are always fighting. Remember that non-continuous verbs or meanings cannot be used in any continuous tenses. Instead of using present continuous with these verbs, you must use the simple present. So we would not say, she is loving this chocolate ice cream, but rather, she loves this chocolate ice cream. Also, we would not say, he is liking to play chess, but rather, he likes to play chess. Make a sentence with each time expression in the present continuous tense. Choose the correct time use expressed in the following present continuous sentences. Make a sentence with each time expression in the present continuous tense. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.